What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss is here in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean, say attack. Can never stop attacking NEWLINK. I want to them, man. Judge sees, judge knows. Some people, anybody see Amari? Anybody see Goody? You know, see a long time in a talk about Amari. Amari, big up yourself, you know. You big up yourself, Amari. You know, say you're on the attacking boss. We have a look at difference them back then and thing. You know what I mean? And you don't know when you do the right thing and we come out, we big you up and we see how you link up and you know I respect you, Amari. I respect you, I rate you. You know what I rate you? You know what I rate it? You're a very determined woman. Big man thing, you're very determined. And that's one thing I can say. And no matter what, you always push yourself. You never give up. A whole heap of things coming your way in Amari. And you never give up. Big man thing, I see you stand up here and you pick them, go through the rough, the thickness. And no matter what, you live, Amari. Big up yourself. Because a lot of them who this year and them style you, Amari, ask them. They ever touch where touch it? Amari got England, Africa, all over the globe. You know what I mean? Nika. I want to them, Amari, big up yourself. Some people, you don't know, say a whole heap of things are going on in Amari life right now, you know. On a real level, whole heap of things are going on. And me not going to say bad things to people. But right now, my people, Amari, right, you know, say Sika rhymes, yeah. You know, say was an artist who their own Vibes Cartel and the Gaza, whole thing, my people. And then, suddenly, we see Sika comes, a boom and chip out and in the going at some Spanish country, in the over in a DR one time, in the like in a Panama, some place people, but then we see him find them, we are them there over in a England now, my people. Then we see Sika rhymes change up him whole thing now, my people, and Sika start, you know, producing. Yeah. So basically, him still doing music, people, but him do producing now. So we see him comes up and him produce the track for Queenie, Lady Gangster, my people. More one track him produce Queenie in the deck. Then I see him produce the one where D0W and Queenie do what I talk about. Who me want me good and D0W and one if I something. See? But some difference go on between Sika and Queenie in such a short space of time, my people. And this is life, naturally. You know what I mean? In just a short space of time, them fall out. Not even 5 months. See? Them fall out. Then Sika Rams comes up and fling down, song, take down this, take down that. I don't know personally what really happened or what really occurred. I've seen where them have them fruit back and forth. You know what I mean? But them nobody now come forward and speak the truth and explain the full thing, what really went down, my people. See? But then after, my people, we say Sika Rams sent for somebody. Yeah. Because Queenie gone in, you know, say Queenie and Amari is not friend. Them not link, them not deal. So Sika Ram comes to boom now, my people. I don't know if I him buy the ticket car or a goodie buy our ticket or what, my people. But goodie find herself over in a...
What we say? Up move.
UK. And when she touch UK, my people, boy, she put up something me and she say, hello, mate. You know her style already, a goodie that. So, she, you know what I mean? She did that. She go in a studio with Sika Rhymes and them, do them chat, them work on it. But my people, it seemed like Amari about to stir up some trouble. It seemed like Amari about to make something roar. Because shortly after I left UK, you know, my people, you know Amari reach? Amari touched down a jam down. Because people, she said she up on a different level with her music. You know what I mean? She said she had released some EP, some album thing, some big thing where she depend on my people and she had to find another big hit. So she determined my viewers and subscribers. And she on the move, she on the go. And that's why I say people, I rate her. Because no matter what, she not give up. She a push herself. A whole heap of people say come forward, you know. And them say them a go do this and them a do that. Them start, yes people, but you say down the line, them give up them last. And one thing with Amari, my people, she no last. No matter what, as me tell her, stumbling blocks and what difference come, my people, she not give up. She a push, she a continue my viewers and subscribers. And this is why me always a give her ratings and I say, Amari, big up yourself. See? And honestly, my people, I want the best for her. You understand? I want the best for her. I want her career to go good. You know, because people, me lot of things happen in the past, yeah, when me never agree with her with a lot of things, people. But you see, just like how the Almighty can forgive us for the sin what we do, why we can't forgive her? You understand? She never do nothing major when she comes to woman go take nobody 3 points and them something where me did literally I go say yo me nah nothing to forgive she for that. You know what I mean? Things do happen. See? So for me personally I say give her a chance. See? But we see what she go forward with the people. She about to stir up some big problem. You understand? Me don't know if she going to send out a diss track to Queenie or that, which me know she will do it. Because she famous for the controversy thing, but she not care, she not afraid of nobody. And when I say she touch Jamaica done in her tiger suit, my people, you understand, favor leprechaun or favor lion or something or jaguar. She means something, she up to something. She gonna put waves in it, my people. So Amari about to cause a heat wave. You understand? My viewers and my subscribers, all I can say, I will be waiting. I will be looking out. I will be watching her. I will be, you know what I mean? Because I want to see what Amari really go forward with my viewers and subscribers. She is a woman, you know. At times being unexpectedly, she will just come with something and you have to wonder and say, yo, where Amari really depend? You know what I mean, people? But yo, she have some plans and you don't know, she a knock head with some smart people. Yeah. She a knock head with some wise people because being around Sika Rhymes, we see what Sika Rhymes capable of doing, my people. We have seen it. You understand? Producing the track with Queenie and Chansam. And honestly, my people, I think say if Queenie did manage and Sika they manage to build that connection and stay together, I think she'd have a real spot in the music, you know. Because the youth did have some plans here, my people. Panari, did have some plans. I sense it, I've seen it, my people. And do we know we are not artists, with people. We move like a can artist or a romantic or what him want him. You understand? Him man fix him up and turn him in an artist. You know what I mean? But something just went down the lane with everything fell down with them, my people. And see who they now get the chance with Sika. Goodie. So as me tell you, Sika have some plan because we have seen where he might try to bring these social media personality forward down. You know what I mean? Highlight them and put them in the music, my people. So you have a plan, a smart youth, my people. Him call himself the Gaza vice president and I say, you know what that mean? You don't take a normal person to come forward and say, yo, me are the Gaza president, me are the, you know what I mean, my people? It takes some real people. But Sika, you have some plan, my people. But I will be here watching, I will be here looking at my people and I'll say, Amari, Goody, big up yourself, continue to stay safe, continue to do the right thing, and I will be looking out as I say, we know say about for cause some big problem, Amari, big trouble, big business, and one thing me can say, Queenie, be on the lookout, because Goody, she a forward. So my people, please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and to the NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. You don't know, say one team of people, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Are you not subscribe it? You really not subscribe it? Yeah, watch the thing and you not. Hey, please subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you so much, man. And like, you know, and share it to spread it there. Make the people them see it. I don't know, say oh. Attack them NEWLINK. Attack them NEWLINK.
Liner. You hear that? 8,000. Oh, 1,000, my dons. Oh, hush. Oh, 8,000. I who say 8,000? They add me. I now add you because Sikaram add 4,000. So tell up, you don't know, say Sikaram class, you dirty blood clot too. And so you call him, hey, me have whole heap of something for me, Sikaram. I saw the thing them come back to me. Sikaram is a Miss Liza. Him class, yo. And in class, Danny Blacks, I got mix up him dirty blood clot. I will get him, Sasha. Well, I can't name when I do the horse where the tall up. Don't talk it, because me no want to forget to me. I say, well, the girl will do the horse in name. Sasha forever bless. Me do a live with the little girl when me and them they are in no long and live blood clot life, run up and down and pass each other. And Sika Rife paid me wicked. I said the girl had no body. I'm in a for do no interview with her. If I'm an on-stage interview, I sick around, make me afraid for all the... I'm a mouth and just cussing and think. Me not took up that the time there. Me look like idiot too, I'm afraid of her. She scared blood clot me the way she crying. Me a class and quality to that. Look at my skin. Me no blood clot bleach. Look at me. My natural blood clot skin. Yesterday the woman would do as I say, for your age and I used to see a winkle. Move on a dirty blood clot. Who you want style? Drunk blood clot drawbacks. Understand yourself. My husband I work and him I do care work. Dirty blood clot. My husband work till 8 and 9 at night time. When him getting blood clot paycheck over 2 grand. Move your dirty blood clot. So when I talk about do it,